Welcome to the vlog, it's your boy Jaden Boy. If you guys excited, I don't know what's gonna go on today. But look. It's a nice day outside. Last vlog had no outro. I'm not gonna put one. We're gonna start a new vlog right now. So let's begin. Let's get it. First thing this morning, I already brushed my teeth, went to the bathroom. Let's make my coffee. Coffee. Oh. Look at the basement. Looking nice. White. Like a mini studio. Let's go look around real quick. Oh, nice. Nice. Well, let's try the other camera. Oh no, look at this kid. Look at that hat too.
My YouTube channel. Subscribe. Broken Bills.
But he didn't even make it yet. He's naming it.
B-R-O-K.
How does he know if it's even available?
Look it up on YouTube. It's there.
Okay, we'll do it. He's feeling that the nation has enough. Look, this is them say this is the first step. How the hell are you supposed to get up there? You gotta really put some work to get up the stairs now. Oh my goodness. Dang it, I pressed the video. Fuck, I forgot to put it back on. We came out to eat at some restaurant. So,
what happened? Did you ever
make it? Food is here. Yeah. I just finished my food. No, she ate basically all. I'll try a piece. Dogged it in a matter of 3 minutes.